Without apps, your iPhone loses much of its capabilities. I'll show you how to download and install any app quickly and easily. Watch to the end for a helpful tip on how to find hidden apps on your iPhone. Firstly, of course, make sure that you have either Wi-Fi or mobile data turned on. You can check it in the control center or in the settings. So in my case, Wi-Fi is turned on. Now find an open app store, and in the upper right corner you should see your Apple ID account. If you don't see it, then click Create New Apple ID and follow on-screen instructions. Then on the bottom you should see some of the categories such as Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and Search. We can tap on the search, and if you know what app you want to install, you just need to enter it and then find in the list. Now to install the app, click the blue button Get, and if you confirm that you can install apps with the help of Face ID, then you should see this display that you need to double click to install this app and scan your Face ID. If you are installing an app for the first time, then you will need to enter your Apple account's password as well. So just wait a few seconds, and now it is installed. You can easily find it on your home screen. But as a tip, if you cannot see it on your home screen, then swipe left until you reach App Library and check it in the recently added folder. And by the way, here you can find hidden folder in which you can hide your apps. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.